Hey, welcome back, guys, in the second part of this course. And this course video, or the second part of this course, is, guys, very important for you because the information which in this video or in this part I will provide you, that will all the work which we will do, that is completely based on this thing. So therefore, you need to understand everything which I'm telling you into this video. So the first thing which, guys, you need to do, you can earn a lot of money from it. There is no any kind of limit, but you need to stay in limit, because if you make $1,000 in a day, so your account will go in danger. So therefore, I suggest you, if you have a new account, so stay in the limit of around $30 to $50. And if you have an old account, so you can go like $100, $200, $300 in a day. That will be fine. And the next thing which you need to always, guys, take care, that is the page CTR. You need to take care of the page CTR. And also, for increasing your CPC, always, guys, try to write some article on your website about a loan, automobile insurance, and some digital softwares or products. On that kind of product or article, you will get high CPC and you will earn more from a few clicks. Like, you can check it out here. With 3 clicks I got 3.11 CPC and I made $9.33 in just 5 minutes, guys. I made this revenue literally in just 5 minutes. So here is some important point. You need to control your CTR. For increasing the CPC, you need to write a high CPC keyword. And guys, how you can reduce the CTR of your Google AdSense, that's matter a lot, guys. If your CTR increase, then just you need to give impression of your website. Don't click on any ad. You need to just simply give the impression to your ads on your website. Like, if I show you, here is my website. Now what you need to do, you need to simply just open up tabs and scroll down, up, down, and open another post. And by doing that, you can control your CTR. But the next method which I'm going to show you, practically all the method, in that method, that will also help you to fixing your CTR. And the next thing which you need to also, guys, remember, that is, guys, you need to, it will be better for you if you just work for 10 days in a month. Just 10-day work in a month, like work in starting of month, or you can work in the last of month. That will be better for your AdSense if you just work 10 days. And if it is possible, also send some organic traffic on your website. That will make your AdSense more safe. Yeah, so that's it for this course of video, and let's go on our next video.